This is Georgia.
Hi.
She's forgotten her friend is coming over for dinner. And her mate's already on the way.
Oh no.
All right, Georgia.
Yeah, not bad.
We're gonna get this cooked perfectly medium rare.
Maybe not me, but the oven might be able to.
We're gonna be making a rack of lamb niçoise. So we're gonna start off by scoring the lamb fat. Then I'm just gonna season it. Loads of pepper all over that. Start cooking the lamb in that oil so it's gonna be flavoured. That's all ready to go. Put it skin side down to cook in the oven.
1 second. So AEG have released a food sensor probe. This works with the oven to tell us when it's perfect.
So it can tell us when it's medium rare?
Yes.
Stop it.
Set the oven as it's lamb today. Plug in our food sensor and away we go.
We've got lovely Jersey new potatoes, green beans, eggs, anchovies, olives. I'm gonna make a really nice dressing. Tiny bit of oil. Don't believe it. We've got the confit garlics, anchovy, some of the rosemary left in the pan, the garlic oil, sherry vinegar, some reduced stock. I like plating with my hands, so I'm gonna go in there and do that. That's it, my lamb salad niçoise.
That's amazing.
That was pretty delicious.
God, yeah.
Time for the washing up. Because I did the hard work, would you please take the oven?
Of course
and
I will.
I will do the sink.
But in the case you've shot yourself in the foot there, so not only does this make an absolutely killer lamb, it also cleans itself.